Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Target. Today we will discuss the next problem of August challenge, that is design hash set. So first of all we will read the problem statement. Design a hash set without using any built-in hash table libraries. To be specific, your design should include these functions. Add value, insert a value into the hash set, contains value, return whether the value exists in the hash set or not. Remove value, remove a value in the hash set if the value does not exist in the hash set, do nothing. Now we will discuss the example given. So in the example given, we have first hash set dot add 1. This line simply means we are adding 1 into our set, so it becomes 1. Then we are adding hash set dot add 2. In this line we are adding 2 into our set, then it becomes 1 comma 2. Hash set dot contains 1 returns true as 1 is in the set 1 comma 2. It has written true because this line checks whether the set contains 1 or not. In the next line we are checking hash set dot contains 3, return false, not found as 3 is not in set 1 comma 2. Hash set dot add 2. It will remain 1 comma 2 only as set does not contains duplicate elements. Hash set dot contains 2 returns true as 2 is in the set 1 comma 2. Hash set dot remove 2. Set will become 1 as 2 will be removed from it. Hash set dot contains 2 return false, or returns false because 2 has already been removed from it. Now we will solve this problem using array list. So we will solve this problem step by step. In step 1 we will simply initialize the array list. In the next step we will use add function. In add function, first we will check whether the element exists or not. If it does not exist, then we'll add to it. Suppose we want to add 2 into the set and the set contains only 156, then we can simply add our element to the set. Then we have remove function. In remove function, first we will check whether the element exists or not. If the element exists, then we will remove it. If the element does not exist, then we will not do anything. Fourth, contains function. In this function, it will simply return true or false on the basis of whether the element exists or not. It will return true if the element exists, otherwise it will return false. Now we will write our code. First of all, we will initialize our array list. Now we will write our code in add function. So here first we will check whether the element exists or not. So here we have to check that if the element does not exist, then we will add to it using s.add. Here s is our set name, array list name. In the remove function, first of all we will check whether the element exists or not. If the element exists, then we will remove it. Now for removing, first of all we will write remove function. Then in array list, whenever we have to remove our element, we will simply remove using index function. So here we will use index of. And in the last contains function, here we are simply checking whether the element exists or not. So here we will write written s.contains key. Now we will run our code. It has given a index of, so here O will be capital So it has status finished. Now we will submit our code. So our solution has finally been accepted. We can see more details. So the question has total 28 cases and we have passed all the test cases. So guys, like and share my video, and share my video who need to understand the solution of this question. And if you have any doubt, do comment in the comment section and let me know. I will explain you. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it, and do press the bell icon also so that you can see my video at earliest as possible. Thank you everyone.